Hello. In the previous video, I show how to do to download and extract an image, right, to your drive. And then for today, I'm gonna show you how to classify image. You know, so instead of just export it, you can classify it. This line from before. I think I'm gonna delete this part because we're not going to export this image. And also I'm going to save new file. Maybe you're gonna name it tutorial 2 classification. The basic classification. Ta-da. Okay, maybe we can run it first, our image, show maybe what we have gone through. Okay, this is the previous image. I think it's still okay. Maybe we can make it brighter by changing this one, the min max. Is it possible? Maybe we should change the gamma then. Okay. What you need for classification is that you need training data, right? For training data, you will need, for example, I'm going to use polygon here on my point. It doesn't matter. So for example, I'm only going to use 4 classes only, which is vegetation, water, wear, and build. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put this line here, this point. I'm going to make a new one. No, so not going to put here. I'm going to make new one. I'm going to call it, for example, the first is water. Yeah, the collection. We need to put property. Property is the same like column. Maybe the first column is this. Is the value. Therefore, we're going to put water with 1 value. Okay. So we're gonna tag where is water. Maybe 10 classes enough. 10 classes. This water obviously. How do you not have? Because it's prefer. Maybe in some more area. Maybe we can change the band to make it easier to change to be. Let's say this one. I think this is enough. Let's run. How do we look at it? Okay, it's much easier to see the water, but I think it's too bright. Okay, it's much better. So you can continue find water. Where's water? I think this is water, obviously. This is water too. I would say this is water. And where are more water? I think this small area. This is water, obviously. This is water too. I think this is water. And this one. I'm not sure about that. This one is water. Okay, next is that vegetation. We're gonna find vegetation. Same. We're gonna change it to be maybe class 2. Because it's very obviously it's supposed to be green. If it's green, then it's vegetation. It could be tree, it could be forest, it could be anything else, grass, just random vegetation. I think 10 slots is enough. Okay, next is we're gonna find bear. Oh no, yeah, we're gonna find bear. Bear, we're gonna put yellow color, I think. Class, I'm gonna put tree. Oh, find a bear is kind of tricky because bear is, basically like a building. But not sure about it. How do you find bear here? This look like bear. Yeah, this one bear. Where else is bear? This one is bear, I guess. And where is this? Mm-hmm. No, what is that? We can change the band to be the normal false color. Okay, this one help. Maybe easier to find bear here because it's supposed to be yellow. Okay, it's hard to find bear. Maybe try it for true color then. Okay, here the vendor like this. This obviously bear. This is bear. Like bear. This thing was also bear. This is also bear. Yeah, that's a bear here. Okay, next we're gonna use find build area. Gonna be built. Turbo. You know, put a class 4. Okay, we're gonna find build area. It's pretty simple. This build obviously this is houses. You put a random there. That's fine. Just put random. Maybe the road 2. Okay, that's enough for build. Okay, I already made it one. The thing is that if you want to use for example like SVM or random forest, you need to make it to be polygon. So I think we're gonna make the polygon later. But first we need to merge it into one file from all the classes. So we're gonna put for example training data, training data, training point. I call it. This is to be water merge with vegetation. I'm gonna merge it with bear, merge it with build area, and that's it. Then we're gonna make it into a polygon using buffer. So it's gonna be a training sample to be the training point buffer. Well, the thing is, you can just make a buffer, so you're gonna make a function of it using map function. Image. Maybe you can call it, doesn't matter actually. Then we're gonna return point buffer 30 because so this is a Landsat 30 meter, so I'm gonna use that. Okay, now we can see how our training data to be look like. So we're gonna show map add layer how our training sample look like. Training sample. The color is going to be dark, but it's fine though. Okay, this is our sample after we turn into buffer. Yeah, so it's kind of circling there. Bloop, 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 bloop. Okay, so example is fine. The next step we're gonna do a classification. I think the thing about classification is that the line should be long, so yeah, I'll just copy paste from my old code. So maybe you can see it in the letter. Oh yeah, I think we need to put information here. What we do here, I mean, call the image. Call the image we wanted. This is for the training data, the training sample. So yeah, for label is win class because well, from the starting point is basically class. Then the band we're gonna use for this, we need to change a bit. As far as I remember, there isn't be this kind of band, so I need this one. Okay, so the input is going to be the image that we use. This is Palembang here. Check this kind of band. You're gonna even sample, yeah. Label scale, you're gonna use 30 meter scale. Suppose, and then oh yeah, I think I make this line so that it's gonna make a two set of train data to be training and also for the test for assessment later to see how accurate we are classification. And this is line for the classification. I'm using random forest here. In the random forest, you have to make it polygon. So if you're using another classifier, for example, there's a lot of classifier here. There's a resolution tree, a minimum distance. You can use point or card. Yeah, you can use it. But if you leave separate machine or the forest to make it to be well polygon, so you make polygon here, and I put 64 here because well it's kind of I think the mucher the better, but 64 is fine because if more than one quadrigy will not do it, so you're gonna ignore it. The conversion matrix they use for the accuracy. So we can use the classifier, blah blah blah. Then for that, you're gonna classify it to our image, which is Palembang here in the last line. You can read on your own, I think. Then after the classified, we need to show it, right? Show the classification result. So we're gonna map layer, same as before, to be classified. Yeah, it is classified here. For the visual parameter, for the band, and now there's a band here, palette here, has to be, let's see, I think its water has to be blue. I think for the second axis vegetation is green. And for the bear is yellow. And for the bird is red. For me, I think it's fine. It's good blue color. And for the main color that they will show is 1 and max 4. Yeah, that is good enough. Oh yeah, I think we're gonna put the name for the image. Maybe you're gonna name it class land cover. Then I'm gonna make it to be true, so to always be shown. Then I maybe change the opacity a bit to be 1.5. It's good. Okay, then you can just start classified. Then I'm gonna run it. Oh yeah, I think we need to delete this because there's no such pen as B12 in Landsat. Okay, we're gonna run it again. Does it work? I don't know. The class is 1.8. So this is the classification, water. Yeah, you're gonna miss a bit. Well, I mean, we need to be correct. We need to make more classes. Maybe you guys want to change? Just click this. For example, I'm gonna change to water. I think, right? Maybe let's switch. Let's do it again. Yeah, work out. I say this is the result. I mean, it's not the best, but it's fine, I think, for the whole image. Okay, now let's say you want to export the result, right? You just exported something. Same like before in the previous video. I'm gonna export image here to drive, which with the name, the collection. I think the image. Oh, I don't forget how to do that. Image to drive. Oh, image. Use classified. Then the description to be the name, maybe. Then cover Palembang. Then for the folder will be same GEE, and for the what again, dimension region. Oh yeah, region. We use this extend, same, the extend one. Extend. Then for the scale, I think the scale will be use 30 seems. And it's done. Okay, then let's run it. Oh wait, there is no such. I think I mistypo it. Okay guys, this is only 4 classes, but if you want to make more classes, it's fine too. You can do it by your own. This is only for example. Here, neck over, we're gonna run it. We're gonna wait a bit for it. It takes some time. Alright, I think it's done. Nagor Palembang already done here. Then we're gonna check it to download it. Check my drive. Where is it now? Oh, it's here. Binamproof. No, I think it's in the GE file. Well, Nagor Palembang. Wait to download it then. I go smaller because well, just only small pixels, limited pixel. And then we can open it here. And how does it work? Okay then. Let's use the color. Let's use random color sampling. Turbo. I just do the manual then. Change the cell to be 0. Then for this to be well, this water to be this blue. This vegetation green. This is bare yellow. That really here. And this. How many classes in here? Oh, I think I should use the palette unique value and classify it. How many classes are there? This string color to be well green. This yellow. Ada this classification based on our results. Oh, this work. That's it. Thank you. Bye.